Hey guys, Tedward here with Stateside Supercars. He has run 150 laps of the Nürburgring in 2017. He knows the track inside and out better than anyone I know, although...
I know a lot of people that know it better than I do.
Exactly, because he's not even the craziest person
I'm
out
still
there.
a rookie out there, but I know it, better than you do. So.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
He drives an Evo 9.
7.
Oh, sorry, whoa.
Yeah.
He drives an Evo 7. He's looking for an E92 M3, and right now we're going to see what it's like for someone who knows the ring inside and out to drive it on Forza 7 Motorsport in an E92 M3. So, Nathan, take it away.
Ready?
Walk us
All right,
through.
let's do it. So, I'm on the main straight right now, the Duttingenhülle, and we're going to go underneath the bridge, and that's where we're going to start the lap. So, off we go. So, I'm just sort of giving running commentary on what I'm doing. Basically, this is all flat out in 6th gear. Takes a while. So this is the bridge right here. We're going to cross through here. I've left the braking lines on, but you don't need to brake here. So you want a little bit of brake here, into 5th, and then accelerate. Down a 2nd. A little bit of understeer. Too hot. Now this is where the lap starts on Forza, which is like the full track. So this is where they start like all the industry pool testing. Alright, this is all full throttle, and you want to turn in where you see the sign on the left. And then power through using everything, the rumble strips. I was always taught you pay for everything, so you use everything. This is Hatzenbach. You can sort of coast through this in 3rd. You don't want to be changing lots of gears. You want to hit this curb and then accelerate using everything again. Brake, touch this curb, and then full throttle. Up to Flugplatz, which they changed so you don't actually fly here anymore. You used to take off in the 5th, brake into 4th, and then accelerate. The trick is never to lift off, because when you lift off, you have lift off oversteer and you crash. This is the most dangerous section of the track and the quickest. Schwedenkreuz it's called. Many crashes. Remember the Megane crash? You want to keep your foot down here throughout the corner. Down to 3rd. And then got a little bit of understeer. There we go. Now into the foxhole. This is one of my favorite sections. Now into 4th. Now you want to hit this curb on the left and then brake. Into 3rd. And now we have Adenauer Force. This is where, if you watch my videos, you can see lots of people go straight through the grass. Hit this curb. Now here you want to brake in a straight line into 4th, then accelerate through, down into 3rd. This is all 3rd, 3rd, 3rd. Now here you want to turn in really late, and then use everything coming out of it. 3rd again, put the power on mid corner, brake. Now this is a hit, miss, hit, miss. And I've just missed it there, but you want to hit the 2nd apex and miss all the others. This is the slowest part of the track, Verseiven. Now coming down to Exmühle. Brake into 3rd, you just want to chuck it in. Put the power on, a little bit sideways, that's okay. I'm used to an Evo, of course, which always grips. Now coming down to Bergwerk, brake into 3rd. Again, turning in very late. Whoa, held it. Now this is basically, in the Evo it's all flat, but I suspect in this E92 we're going to have to lift off a little bit for these corners. Now this is also a dangerous corner. You want to hit third and then accelerate through the corner again. Lift off and then accelerate. Brake and into third. You want to be really tight on the inside here. That's where the line is, on the inside. Now up to the carousel. For the most famous section of the track. You don't want to be too fast there because otherwise you'll shoot out, and you don't want to hit the throttle too soon coming out of it because otherwise you'll go sideways. Lift off and then put the power down again. Brake, third, a little bit fast there. Brake. This is a really technical section from here to Brunchen. So this is all fourth gear. You don't want to be too high in the res. Hit that curb, hit this curb, but I'm missing them. See, there's no single lap on the ring that's completely perfect. I think a good lap is when you don't crash, which I nearly did there.
It's a tall benchmark.
Yeah. Am I going to have to redo this once to get a good lap? Now you always want to drift there because I'm filming, so I can get a good video. Hit this curb. Now this is Flansgarten, and you want to brake after the jump and then put the power on. This is the Stefan S-curves. Stefan Bellhoff S-curves. Basically full throttle through here. Then you want to stay to the right into fourth, then move over to the left side of the track. Third. Now coming up to the mini carousel, brake, leave it in third. And don't leave the carousel. I left a little bit early there, that's why I got sideways. There's a few tiles missing there, and that's where you want to leave the mini carousel. And now we're coming back up to the Duttinger Hölle. And this is the gantry. So that's where the lap would end on the Touristenfahrten.
Which is called a BTG lap.
Yep.
So when you see BTG, now we know, bridge to gantry.
I can finish the full lap, see how fast I did it. I didn't do much to this car. It's just suspension, brakes, and took out all the weight. That's basically it.
We gave it a wing.
Yeah, and a
A
wing.
little bit of downforce.
Other than that, I think I did the tune and that was it.
Pretty representative of like what you would see
Yeah.
at the ring.
Now for a full lap, that's pretty good, 7:33. Could probably take another 25 seconds off for a BTG lap.
That's
so.
what I just did on my Viper ACR at 7:33, and you just did that in E92 M3. So, not slow.
I might want to redo this.
I don't think we get redos in real life
Oh,
either.
okay. I didn't crash. I didn't
You
crash. So there we
if
go.
you're interested in Nürburgring videos, chances are you've seen his work before.
Probably.
Stateside Supercars. He's out there filming all the time, and he's definitely out there driving now. So thanks, because of this bomb cyclone blizzard that we got, his flight was canceled, and it means that he gets to come hang out with me and play Forza at my house. So
And it means that you're going to do a lap.
yeah,
This
so
year.
coming up this year, I'm doing a lap of the Nürburgring. I've been there a couple times. I've ridden passenger on the Grand Prix track, but I have never been on the Nordschleife. So this year in April, I'm going. And
coming
this
up.
gentleman is going to be my guide. So
We'll do it.
don't forget to respect the drive, and we'll see you in the next one.
See ya.
Sweet.
It wasn't a good lap though. I'm so pissed off.
It doesn't matter.
I could have done it so much better.